Kuzuzangpo and hello to all of my friends. Welcome to my channel. Friends, today I am here to share with you how I make this delicious Kewa Datshi with dried red Kashmiri chili. I have made a Kewa Datshi recipe with green chili like 2 years ago, and I know a lot of people loved it, and I hope you like this recipe as well. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. With that said, friends, here are the ingredients. Potatoes, dried red Kashmiri chili, cherry tomatoes, 2 to 3 small onions sliced, 2 to 3 cubes Amul cheese, butter, salt and water. Friends, now it's time to layer all the ingredients. I have taken a shallow pan and I'm going to cut the potatoes into thick slices so that way it doesn't break when it's cooked. All the potatoes are cut. Now let's add the other ingredients. Onions first. Then the chilies, cherry tomatoes, butter, salt, and water. So water, I'm adding like 1 1/4 cup of water here. All the ingredients are in the pan except for the cheese. Cover the lid and cook for 5 to 6 minutes. Friends, it's been like 6 minutes, so let's check how our Kewa Datshi is cooking. I'm going to press the chilies into the water so that way it gets cooked evenly. And also at the same time, I'm checking how the potatoes are getting cooked and if I need to add more water. I need to add more water, so I'm going to add some more extra water. After adding the water, I'm going to cover this and let it cook for 5 to 6 minutes. It's been a little over 5 minutes and it's time to add the cheese. But before I do that, I am going to give very gentle stir so that way the potatoes doesn't break apart. And also, friends, remember how we cut the potatoes into thicker slices so that way it doesn't break easily. And next I'm going to add is the cheese. After adding the cheese, I'm going to cover the lid and cook for 1 to 2 minutes, only to melt the cheese. Friends, let's see how our Kewa Datshi is looking. This looks delicious. I'm going to give a very gentle stir so that way the potatoes doesn't break apart. And also, friends, the potato is perfectly cooked. And now it's time to taste salt and add more if needed. I'm going to give a final stir after adding salt. Friends, Kewa Datshi is ready, and I hope you make this simple ingredient easy to cook, Kewa Datshi, and enjoy this with rice, roti, or any choice of your carbs. And I'm sure this is going to be everyone's favorite in no time. Thank you for watching, friends, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I will see you in my kitchen next time.